Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make auto-tuned TikTok videos. One of 2020 TikTok trends is using the auto-tuned voice in your videos. The auto-tuned sound lets you sing and be perfectly in tune with whatever song you want. Follow these steps and you'll figure out how you can do this kind of videos. As TikTok doesn't have this voice effect in the app, firstly you need to go to Google Play Store and download the app called Voloco. Once it is installed into your phone, go and open it. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Hit the effect icon on the right and choose the big chorus option. When it comes to the key, it is advised to select Major C settings. At the top, switch to video mode by toggling the slider to the right. Now start making your video by tapping the record button and sing whatever you want. When you are done recording, tap the button to stop. Wait until your video will be processed and the preview will automatically appear on your screen. If you are happy with your video, hit the share icon in the bottom left corner and choose TikTok. Tap Next. Now you can edit your video by using filters, effects, inserting stickers, writing text. Once your video is ready, hit Next. The only thing left to do is to post the video on TikTok. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make auto-tuned TikTok videos. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.